everyone, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another episode in my UpCycled Treasures series. This is a series where I go into a thrift store, pick out 3 or 4 items, and then change them into something totally different or something new. This week my thrift store was having a 75% off sale on their clothing. They're getting rid of one season to make room for another season basically. And I picked out 3 pieces of clothing. I want to make another article of clothing from these 3. So this is going to be an upcycled fashion project this week. I hope you join me. I'm going to show you pictures of my 3 articles of clothing, and they are all shirts or tops. And we'll see what I can create with them. The next video that I will be uploading on this and where I show you my finished project will be in a few days. I'm going to have to put my thinking hat on this one and see what I come up with. So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. The first shirt is a peachy striped cotton. It is lightweight and it has a collar. It has a front placket and longer tails. Now this placket does not go all the way down. It is a pullover. It also has a front pocket, and regularly $6.99 with a 75% off, it came to $1.75. This one was another $6.99 shirt down to $1.75, and it is a black and white stripe. It has it buttons all the way down the front. Nice long sleeves on this one with cuffs. And the final outfit that I picked up is a sweater. It has 3/4 length sleeves, a pretty color, almost that same color of coral or salmon color to it. Love the texture of it, and I think the textures and the patterns of all 3 of these shirts is going to make it a fun combination. So we'll see what I come up with. Thanks so much.